All right, this is going to be Blind Man in the Dark by GOV'T MULE. You're going to have to detune all the strings a half step. So he's playing it here in the 5th fret, like it looks like they're kind of in a D minor thing, but he's got that detuned guitar. Also did that live. Okay, so we're going to start out with this riff. Okay, so it's 5 on the A string, 5 on the G string. We go. So the 5 to 5 is kind of quick, and there's kind of a pause before you do them again. So it ends up being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sets of that, and then we go to the F power chord. 8, 10, 10. So we're gonna have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that one's tricky. That brings in a bass. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're gonna do the octaves of those C's at the same time at the end. So we end up doing our 5s. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then on the 6th one. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that goes right from the ba-dum-bum. And then we're back into the beginning part, to the first 2 parts again. And then we have a new part. So it started like the other one did, where you got your 5. Now at that point, after we did the 5 and 5, we're gonna go 2s on the A and G strings, 3 and 2. So we move up one at a time on that A string. So it's, and then you're back into the. So let's look at all that again. We got. And then we do the A into the C parts, I'm calling these. Okay, so we have kind of hold that F for 3 beats. 1, you hear a couple cymbals, and then G power chord, 10, 12, 12. And then the verse starts. And the verse is going to be. Okay, and this kind of, it varies. I'm going to give you the whole first verse, but the other verses will kind of vary, and you got to listen to the words, kind of know the words, and you can phrase around his wording. But this is the basic riff. So we got. So 5 on the D, 3, 5, 3 on the G. We're going to bend that 5 up, regular 5, kind of a slide or hammer to the 3 to the 5 and back. So it's. So 2 5s, hammer, and then. So 3 to 2 on the G, 5, 5, kind of slide that down. Second line is. So boom, 3, 5, 3, bend, dun, dun, da, da. So here we're just gonna go 3, 2, 5, and then we have this riff. So that's 5, 3 on the D, 5 on the A, back to that 3, 5, B flat power chord, big G power chord. Okay, so this part again, this verse thing is. And the bass goes. Second line on the guitar. Now here's the third line, and this is unison with the vocal and the guitar. So that one goes all the way down to that G. And then. Okay, so that one doesn't have a lower note really behind it because it kind of finished with that lower note on the previous riff. So now here we're going to have. So that's 3 to 4 to 3 to 1. Back to 3 and then. Same thing, end on the G that time. So it's. So you slide up from some note. I'm picking that G, that 5th fret of the D string. We're going to hit the D and G strings on that 15th fret. Lead us into the 4th vocal line. So this is like a bum, 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 bum. We're going to bend that 5. Kind of 5 down. We got that 6 on the 2nd string underneath. And then the last part. Okay, so that last one is 5, 5, 3, 2, 5, and then the bass again. Those little 3s, and then. So I slid the 3s down to 5s. And I hit that A bass on the D string with it. So it's. And then we're going to have 3 and 1, 3 on the bottom. So we have the 3, nothing on the G, 1 and 3. We're gonna slide that 3 to 5 on the D. And hit that 3 and 5 on the bottom there. So it's. Back to the 7 with 5, 5. A couple little fills here. 5, 7, 5 to the 7. Same thing there. Now we're going to go back to this kind of F9 with a 2 on the G string this time. Kind of walk it up 3, 2, and then 1, 3. Slide the 3 to 5, back to that 3, 5 down there again, and then. So this went into the 7, 5 on the 2nd string. Little hammer on pull off down there. So we're going to have this F9, hold it, and then the 5 with 3, 5. 2 quick ones, and come up here to the 12, 14 on the A, and then 12s in the middle strings. Hammer on to the 14 of the D. Okay, then we're getting into the chorus. So we had. So we're going G to D. You could do just kind of the top things, or you can get that G bass in there. And then we're gonna go. So that's 10 to 12, to the 10s, 12, 14 to 12s. Kind of end with that 14 on the A, so it's. So I did a slide in the 15 to 17 middle finger. And I'm doing the 17 and 18 on the G and B strings down here. And then we're doing the G to D again. But it's not as fast. It's not. This time it's bum, bum. And we're going to go. So that's big 1 on the F, F octave on the 3rd fret of the D string to the open G. So it's 1, 3, open, and then 3, open, open. G chord. Now we're going to have a fill here. Okay, so this fill is going to go bend on the 12 on the G. Little 10 to 10 on the 2nd. Got to pull off here, 13, 10. Back to that 10. Bend the 13. Little 13 under it. And then bend it as a chord. So it's. Now we're going to get into a 3 into 5. Hit these 5s. Up to 8s. To 10s. 13. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, so that was. 2 and 3 and 4 to the 8s. 2 and 3 and 4 to the 10s. 13. Bum, bum, bum. Just kind of slide 10 to 12. And you got a 12 and 13 on the G and B. So it's kind of like one of those raised, kind of like a minor 7 or kind of raised 9 thing. So we got. So it's. F to G power chords. And then we're back into the beginning riff. Okay, so that one doesn't have that extra part that I was calling part D in the tab. So we're gonna have this, we get into the, we don't hold that F anymore, 3 beats, we just right into the G. Okay, so it's like I say, the phrasing's a little different because the words are a little different, but it's basically the same types of riffs. It'll have all those same riffs in between. So all the same types of stuff here. Here the fill will be like kind of hammer on, pull off. And then you're back into the, and this one instead of goes, waits a little bit and goes in that lower string. Then we got the F9, then we got the bum bum, get that 12th fret thing. Okay, so the fill this time starts the same, but we're gonna pull off that second string, 13. Let that 12 go up a little bit and then hit the 13s below it. Back into this, 8s, 10s, 13s, bum bum bum. So we're back into the intro, but really quickly, and then we're going to be into a new instrumental bit. So we got. So we get into the solo then, but let's look at this bit first. We got. So that's 12s on the G and B. Slight bend kind of to that 14 on the D, 12, 14, 10 on the A, 12 on the E. 2 hammers here, A string, D string. So we got. Yeah, this time we're gonna go. So we did the 14 bend on the G, pull off, same stuff, and then. So 2 hits on that. So instead of going down, we're gonna hit those 12s. So we got a 14, little 12, 12, bend that 15. We got a. Okay, so we're gonna go. And then we're gonna hit that 15. We got 14 bend, 12, 15, 14 bend, 12, 15, 14, little 12, 15 on the second, bend the 14 to the 15, and then this is kind of an easy riff. Okay, so once again we got. Okay, so that 12 on the D, then we got, we're raking up the 14 and the 12s like an E minor top. So a half step bend on that 14, and then, so 15, 17, bend, back to 15, to the 17. We got 15, 16, 15, 16. Quick slide down to the 12, the 14 and 12. So you get into one of those. Got that slide. They're kind of ringing together a little bit. So we got. Okay, so you got some. And then back down. 12, 14, 12 in the second. A little bend on that to the 14. And then we got. We got some wah-wah. We got 12s and 14s on the G and B strings. So da-da-dee-dum, da-da-dee-dee-da-dum. Do that twice and then. So da-da-dee-dum, then do the pull-off. 14 12s. Slide into those 12s. Then we get into a 15, 12, and 12. And then it speeds up into triplets and it goes for a really long time. Eventually you get into a bend on the 15. Kind of slide into that 16 with your middle finger. Hammer 15, 17, 15. 17 up and down, bluesy stuff there. And then we have this great riff. 15, 12, 12. And if you let them ring, it sounds really good. So it's do-da-da, do-dee-dee, do-da-ba. Bend that one, and then. Second time you go bend and pull off, so it's. Okay, so that's getting into the ending of it. So we had. And that goes 3 times. And then after the last time, you like. Hammer. Okay, so just kind of the same stuff. Check out the tab. So we kind of bend that 15, 17. And then we're back into the riff. That's G to A power chords. F to G, lower octave, G to A. F, G. And then we're gonna go G to A again. Now he's gonna go. So he's gonna hammer that 10 to 12. Do the 10s, take that shape up. Do that again, and then just straight up the chords with those. Now here we're just D. We got that. Back to G, D, and then. Similar kind of fill there, and then 5s, 8, 10, 13. And then we're back to the intro. Blind Man in the Dark, GOV'T MULE, Warren Haynes, kicking it. This was great stuff off the album Dose, the second GOV'T MULE album. So I'll be doing more on them in the future. This has a few pages of tabs. Hope you dig it. Talk to y'all soon.